Miss Turner's class. You need help with homework? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you. It's Miss Turner's class. What about if you didn't understand something in class? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are focusing on Module 1, Lesson 11. And in this video, you guys, we're going to be fluently adding multi-digit whole numbers using discs. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And this is coming from Standard 4 MBT 4. Let's use some discs. Here we go. I want to find the sum using discs. I want to find the sum of 6,311 and 1,268. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to line up these numbers on my place value chart. My first number is going to go on my first row, and my second number is going to go on my second row. With that being said, you guys, what place value am I going to start drawing my discs? Am I going to start in my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, or millions? That's right, I'm going to start in my ones. I'm starting in my, that's right, in my ones. So I'm looking at my first number. What number is in the ones place in my first number? That's right, the number all the way to the right is 1. So I'm going to draw one disc in the ones place to represent my first number. Now let's continue filling in the rest of my number. What number is in the tens place in my first number? Good job, 1. So I'm going to draw one disc. What number is in the hundreds place in my first number? Good job, 3. So I'm going to draw 3 discs in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm in the thousands place. What number is in the thousands place in my first number? That's right, 6. So I'm going to draw 6 discs in the thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you guys. Now let's look at our second number. So I'm looking at 1,268. What number is in the ones place in the number 1,268? Good job, 8. So I'm going to draw 8 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about the tens place? What number's in the tens place? Good job, 6. So I'm going to draw 6 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, let me write that a little bit neater for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what about the hundreds place? What number is in the hundreds place? Right again, 2. So I'm going to draw 2 discs in my hundreds place. 1, 2. And what number is in the thousands place in my second number? Absolutely, 1. So I'm going to draw 1 disc. All right, you guys. Now, it's time to add. Remember, we're finding the sum, so we have to add. What place value am I going to start adding in? Good job. That's right. I'm starting in my ones. You guys, we always start in our ones. We start lining up our numbers in our ones place, and we start adding in our ones place. So when we're adding, we're combining. When we're adding, that's right, we're combining. So let's go ahead and combine our 2 groups of ones. So we have 1, 1 plus 8 ones. What is my sum? 1, 1 plus 8 ones. How many ones do I have? That's right, 9 ones because I know that I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ones. So I'm going to put a 9 in my ones place. Now let's do the same thing for the tens place. How many tens do I have? I have 1 10 plus 6 tens. What is my sum? Good job, 7 tens. So I'm going to put a 7 in the tens place. Now let's move on to the hundreds. I have 3 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. What's my sum? Good job, 5 hundreds. And now I'm in the thousands. I have 6 thousands plus 1,000. What's my sum? Good job, 7,000. Don't forget your comma. Remember, after every 3, I drop a comma. So in between what 2 numbers am I going to place my comma? Good job, in between my 7 and my 5. So that means that the sum of 6,311 and 1,268 is 7,579. Let's try another one. In this problem, we're still finding the sum. 6,324 and 2,893. So same as before, I need to put my first number on my place value chart. Do you remember where I'm going to start drawing my discs? What place value am I going to start drawing my discs? Good job. That's right, my ones place. So now, looking at my first number, what number is in the ones place? Good job. That's right, 4 is in the ones place. So I'm going to draw 4 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number's in the tens place? Right again, 2. So I'm going to draw 2 discs. 1, 2. And what about my hundreds place? What number's in the hundreds place? How many hundreds do I have? Fantastic. 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. And what about my thousands? How many thousands do I have? Fantastic. 6 thousands. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job, you guys. So now we've already identified how many discs I have in the number 6,324, and we've already written that number using discs on our place value chart. Let's do the same thing for our second number, 2,893. What number's in my ones place? That's right, 3 is in my ones place. So I'm drawing 3 discs. 1, 2, 3. And what about my tens? Yeah, 9 is in my tens place. So I'm going to draw 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what about my hundreds place? What number is in the hundreds place? Good job. Yeah, 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about my thousands place? What number's in the thousands place? Good thinking. Yeah, my 2 is in the thousands place. So I'm going to draw 2 discs. Get ready. Count with me. 1, 2. All right, you guys. So now that we've drawn both numbers or written both numbers using discs on our place value chart, we now have to find the sum. Remember, you guys, when we're finding the sum, we are combining those two parts of our place value chart. Where am I starting when I'm adding? Who remembers? Good job. Yeah, my ones place. Let's go ahead and combine both parts of my number. Both numbers. So I have 4 ones and 3 ones. What is my sum? How many ones do I have all together? Good job. Yeah, 7. Now let's move on to our tens. I have 2 tens and 9 tens. What's my sum? Yeah, my sum is 11. But can I put 11? No, that's crazy. I can't do that. Instead, what do I have to do? What do you think I have to do? Think back. I have too many discs, so what do I need to do? It starts with a B. Yeah, that's right. I need to bundle. When I bundle, I'm grouping them. A bundle is a group of what? A bundle is a group of, what do you think? Who remembers? Yeah, that's absolutely right. A bundle is a group of 10. So let's count our 10 and then let's bundle. I'm starting all the way at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and bundle this group of 10. And when I bundle, what happens to that group of 10? Let me help you out. I'm drawing an arrow. And how many discs am I going to draw on top of that arrow? That's right, only 1. I'm going to draw 1 new disc. So that means these 10 tens are gone. How many tens do I have left? That's right, I only have 1 10 left. So now let's move on to the hundreds. Let's keep combining our hundreds now. I have 3 hundreds plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundreds. What's 3 hundreds plus 9 hundreds? That's right, 12 hundreds. But can I have 12 in one place value? No, that's crazy. What do I need to do? That's right, bundle. Remember, a bundle is a group of, yeah, it's a group of 10. Count my 10 discs with me. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and bundle that group of 10. Drawing my arrow next door. And how many discs am I going to put on top of that arrow? That's right, 1. How many hundreds do I have left? Good thinking. Yeah, 2 hundreds. Oh, wrong color. And let's go ahead and combine our thousands. 6 thousands plus 3 thousands. How many thousands do I have? That's right, 9 thousands. So I'm going to put a 9 at the bottom. Don't forget your comma. So the sum of 6,324 and 2,893 is 9,217. Let's try one more. In this problem, I have 6,314 and 2,493. Let's go ahead and put our first number on our first row. And we already know we're starting in the ones. How many ones do I have in my first number? Good job. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens do I have? Awesome job. 1. Only 1. 1. How many hundreds do I have? Good job. 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. And how many thousands do I have? Good job. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's do the same thing for our second number. How many ones do I have in my second number? Fantastic job. 3. 1, 2, 3. How many tens? Good job. 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many hundreds do I have? Good job. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many thousands do I have? Fantastic. 2. 1, 2. All right, you guys. Now, remember when we're finding the sum, we are combining. So let's look back at our ones and let's begin combining. 4 ones plus 3 ones equals how many ones? Good job. It equals 7 ones. Now let's move on to our tens. 1 10 plus 9 tens equals how many tens? That's right, it equals 10 tens. But remember, you guys, I cannot have 10 tens in my tens place, which means I need to do what? That's right, I need to bundle. So I'm going to bundle, which means I need to find a group of, I need to find a group of 10. So let's count my group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna go ahead and bundle that. Draw my arrow. And how many discs am I putting on top of this arrow? That's right, only 1. And these discs are now gone. How many tens do I have left? That's right, I don't have any tens left. I have 0 tens left. Now let's move on to our hundreds. 3 hundreds plus 5 hundreds equals how many hundreds? Good thinking. 8 hundreds. And now let's move on to our thousands. 6 thousands plus 2 thousands. How many thousands do I have? That's right, 8 thousands. Don't forget your comma. So 6,314 plus 2,493 is 8,807. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we are no longer using discs. We will be using the standard algorithm.